PM K. Stalin ji, Union Minister P. L. Murugan ji, other ministers and dignitaries, Vice Chancellor of Anna University, Dr. R. Velraj ji, my young friends, their parents and teachers. Anevarukam Vanakkam. First of all, congratulations to all those who are graduating today in the Anna University's 42nd convocation. You would have already built a future of yourself in your minds. Therefore, today is not only a day of achievements, but also of aspirations. I wish that all the dreams of our youth come true. This is also a special time for teaching staff and non-teaching staff, support staff at Anna University. You are nation builders who are creating the leaders of tomorrow. You have seen many batches come and go, but each batch is unique. They leave their own set of memories.